Well, hello again everyone and welcome back. I've been giving this recipe lots and lots of thought. No, not really. It's soon going to be Pancake Day or Shrove Tuesday, so I thought I'd get a bit of practice in and make sure that you all know about it and you can try cooking your own. It's still easy, so let's get cracking. Now for the recipe, we're going to need 2 eggs, 100 grams of plain flour, 300 millilitres of skimmed milk, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of oil and a little bit for cooking with. We need a bowl and a whisk. Firstly, in with the flour and a pinch of salt. Crack in your eggs. In with the oil. Slowly add the milk and whisk it all together. Don't worry about the lumps, they soon go. Once mixed, leave it to rest for 10 minutes. Or if you're really starving, start making your pancakes straight away. Now just to make it easy, I'm going to put the batter mix into this jug. Then I'll pour it into the pan if and when I want any, at the right amount. I'm all for making things easy. On with my trusty frying pan, a nog of butter, a smidge of cooking oil, just let these melt down a little bit, get the pan a bit warm on the base. In with our pancake mix, not too much, just cover the base of the pan really, fill in any little gaps. And just leave it and let the pan do the work. Give the pan a little wiggle. It's moving quite nicely on the bottom now. I don't know if that's more luck or what. Now if I take the pancake off the gas for a moment, just to show you guys this, I'll turn that down so I don't burn myself. I'm going to cheat really. I'm going to put the pancake, hopefully, onto a lid. Then I'm going to turn the frying pan onto there and flip it over. It wasn't too successful, was it? I wonder if I can straighten it out. Oh look, there we go. Oh look, that's better, isn't it? Hey, put the hob back on. Yeah, that one's finished. Now to plate up. One perfect pancake with a sprinkling of caster sugar and some lemon. Ready to eat. Lovely jubbly. Now for my favourite, the taste test. That is so good. Lovely. I think I'll get another one now.